There's new hope tonight for help for people in Austin still recovering after floods damaged and destroyed hundreds of homes.
The city initially came out with plans to buy out many of the houses, and now they could purchase hundreds more. The area we're talking about is in the Onion Creek neighborhood in southeast Austin. KXAN's Angie Bevan joining us live there with new reaction.
Well, Onion Creek Drive here is kind of like the unofficial divide. The majority of the homes to the north side of this street are part of the buyout, but the homes to the south of this street are not. But now the city could decide that those neighbors get a buyout too.
The past 6 months have been trying.
You go to work, you come back home, and you have to work on your house or your living situation.
Rosa Villegas' home is not on the current buyout map. Neither are hundreds of others. Now a proposal from Austin City Council member Mike Martinez, State Senator Judith Zaffarini, and State Rep Eddie Rodriguez's office asked the city to include 142 more homes.
I'm pretty excited. It's one of the things that a lot of people in my neighborhood have been really trying to get out there.
But an offer doesn't guarantee she's going anywhere.
Honestly, to tell you the truth, I think I would stay.
Tim Boss's home is part of the buyout plan already.
I'm going to be meeting with the city tomorrow, the liaisons that they have appointed, and we'll see what comes of it.
He says it's time to move on.
The neighborhood it's like a ghost town now in this area.
Martinez's office says the cost to purchase those additional homes would be $30 million. The proposal suggests that they could fund buying the properties from your water bill. Reporting live in southeast Austin, Angie Bevan, KXAN News.
And the city would pay for the buyouts by raising that drainage fee on your water bill. Austin Water customers pay the drainage fee every month. We highlighted where it shows up on your bill. Right now, it's about $9 per month for the average household. Last year, that fee brought in $64 million. That money funds the city's watershed protection department.
The Austin mayor is hoping to keep city costs down to prevent a big increase in your bills. Today, the mayor said he was pleased the budget forecast presented today included a lower tax rate. But with nearly $2 billion in increased property values this year, the average homeowner will pay $28 more a year.